Noel Marshall. We're here at the National Home Improvement Show in London, and we're getting set up. We're getting our stand set up where I'll be displaying our new Bricky Pro and Marshall Profiles. So we'll have a 140mm wall here, your 140mm block. We're going to put a 215mm wall here of double brick, and we're going to put two 100mm walls here, one of your standard block and your standard brick, which will depict your standard cavity house wall. To build these three walls, I'm going to use our new profile system, and I'm going to show you now how to set them up, and you'll see how easy it is to build the wall thereafter. Measure back a distance, exactly 15 bricks, my exact positioning for this base profile here. We can now put in the profiles and their supporting stay bars. Attach two of these to each profile and make our fixing. Check our first height notch. We'll bring it up to 75mm. So that's them. I'll now tighten up the next one. We set them at roughly 45 degrees. That's not that important at all. Once it's within a reasonable range of that, it's fine. We use the bolt in the channel. You can get it pretty close using that very quickly. And to bring it level now to the very nth degree, we use the telescopic twist piece, and if this becomes difficult to turn, just drop in the handle of the spanner and that gives you your leverage. We'll just use the lock nuts then to lock these off, mainly to prevent anyone from being tempted to fiddle with them. Okay. And we'll make sure now everything is nice and tight. So there we are. Solid profile. We're now ready to start building, so we'll put a slider to each profile and bring it to the first height notch. And as you can see now, the line is pulling through the 75mm notch, and you'll notice here as well, the slider, it marks the corner point of our wall, and that will be transferred right up along the profile. So everything remains absolutely level as our wall progresses up along. Lock it into the tabs on our slider, and our line is now established. The first wall we're going to build here is the 215mm double brick wall. The Bricky arrives like so, but I will disassemble it and show you how it reconfigures for the 140 and 100mm wall. Just press it down like so, and here at the back, these need to be pressed in like so, and the part disengages. Now before we'll pull that right out, we'll release it here at the back as well. What we need to do is take out the center section, slide it right home till the top clip here engages, and we'll attach the outer piece now as well. Line it up at both the back and the front here, bring it through. Now this again engages on a top clip and on the clips underneath. And here at the back, it engages on the first slot. And that's now assembled to build our 140mm wall. To build our 100mm wall, this comes right through at the back, and we don't have the insert piece. Simple as that. Back together now for our 215mm wall. Good to go. Notice here I'm using a light mortar mix. Now that's got by using a silver sand mixed with white cement. It more or less gives you a white mortar, which is quite nice. So the first course it's laid, we'll now just lift up our line to the next height notch and build our next row. I'm going to introduce you to one other feature of our profiles, which are these extension arms. Now these are most frequently used for cavity wall construction, where you build the two leaves of the wall from the one profile. Just replace that guy with this one. I'm going to use it here for a double brick wall as well, because I do like to pull a string line for both sides of the wall, so it's absolutely perfect on both sides. folks, I hope you're able to gather from that how easy our new profile system and Bricky now make it to build all wall types.